My name is Sandile Amandla Mkhize, the principal of Ethnic High School, Pinetown District. I'm just here in this 2 days workshop planned by the curriculum branch in KZN, Department of Education, just to share the insight and my daily routine as the principal in managing effective implementation of the curriculum delivery in my school. Also, we have listened so many speakers here presenting on how can assist us as principals and how can assist schools in achieving good results from starting from the primary school up to FET in high schools, not just focusing on grade 12, but focusing in all the grades across the schools. So one have learned that the data is such a pivotal instrument in ensuring that we analyze what is correct and we plan according to the data so that we'll deliver and manage effective delivering of the curriculum. It's just that all and yeah, I think one has gained a lot and will be able to assist teachers back in schools in ensuring that this workshop was not just a futile exercise. The department didn't waste on this, but it an investment to the learners back at schools and the teachers, particularly in my district and my school. I thank you.